In this tutorial you will find out how to integrate Picus with Trend Micro XDR. After you log into the portal, you will get the overall status of your security level. We need to integrate the system with security controls and run the simulations to gain this visibility. Go to the Integration section. Click Edit Trend Micro Integration. After filling in the login credentials, you can log in and configure the integration details. You can change configure early and delay time options if there is a time difference on your devices. Also, you can configure the alert validation configuration as an option. With this integration, you will identify logged and not logged and threats alerted and not alerted status. Click Submit. After completing integration now, you can simulate the threats and check the log and alert visibility of activities on Trend Micro XDR as shown from the simulation menu. Thank you for being with us. For more information, please visit www.picussecurity.com.